8th play, as we get into the position of the master. Now, as in the 3rd play, I push here. In the 8th play, my thumb, sorry Jessica.
It's okay.
Goes into the point under the jaw, and I push. And I get basically the same effect, but firstly, I reach a lot further, because if I'm reaching here, that's as far as my hand goes. If I go to the same position there, she's a lot further away. And this is supposed to, basically it's a pain control. Through that sort of sharp pain under the jaw, I get her head to move, and from there, of course, we can go into effectively the 3rd play throw. So I'll show that on the other side. So we go to the initial setup, and I'm feeling that this elbow is not available to me, and she's stubborn. So I stick my thumb, make sure that you've cut your nails recently, under the ear, and there it is. Yeah, it's nasty.